So this is the software setup for monitoring a synchronizer. I'm using 4 channels for the voltage, AC voltage and frequency. First 2 are in parallel, they're monitoring the grid, and the second 2 are also in parallel with each other, and they're monitoring the generator, all set to 100 volts. The actual voltage channel, I've entered the scaling factor from when I tested the transformer ratios with the DAQ, so that should give me the equivalent 400 volts going into the synchronizer. And then for monitoring the signals from the synchronizer, I've got a raise frequency and a lower frequency signal, and then the actual synchronizing signal to close the breaker. They're configured as DC voltage. The test set will put out a voltage to the synchronizer, and when the contacts close, it'll obviously lower that voltage down to 0 volts, so they'll be inverse to what you would normally expect. And then for computed channels, I've just got the 2 that matter to me, which is the difference in the voltage and the difference in the frequency, which is merely a subtraction channel, grid minus generator voltage, and then the same for the frequency. And that is the test setup for the BenchVue software.